Nyikali is saying, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, is that just geared towards reducing the amount that is collectible with no justification at all, and we completely disagree with the justification he's giving. It doesn't make a lot of sense. And I have spoken to Honorable Nyikali. I was trying to prevail on him to drop this particular amendment because he has another amendment that we are in support of, and he knows where there is logic in what he's proposing, we support. But where you want to reduce the amount collectible, we do not support. Honorable Nyikali, I want to prevail on you to drop this particular amendment so that we support your other amendments that are logical and are making a lot of sense to many of us.
Honorable members.
Hata hujui nini kinaongelelewa, nyamaza.
Other members, I will put the question that clause 4 be amended as proposed by Honorable Nyikali. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay? The nays have it. We have one more. The import of that amendment is that the amendment by Honorable Ariko falls, the amendment by Honorable Anthony Oluoch falls, but we will give Honorable Clive Ombane to move the amendment.
Thank you, Madam Chair. My amendment is as it appears on the order paper, whereby we are seeking that we delete the word gross and replace it with basic. The justification here is that already the taxpayer is overburdened, and by deducting these from the gross is highly punitive and very insensitive. Yes, we may not be supporting this bill at all, but if we have to stuff it down the throat of the people, then let us do it with some humanity in us. So I therefore ask that this House considers that we move it from gross to basic, Chair.
I propose the question that clause 4 be amended as proposed by Honorable Clive Gisairo. What is out of order, Honorable Chepkonga?